Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. JNTU Kakinada update. M.Tech first semester R20 and R19 regulation first midterm examinations Feb 2022 timetable, and this is for 2021 admitted batches only. R20 regulation timetable. Guys, you can take a screenshot. Exam starts from 21st Feb 2022 and exam timing morning 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. noon. Okay, next. And guys, this is the R19 regulation. Next. Note, if government declares holiday on any of the above dates, the examinations will be conducted as usual. Any omissions or clashes in this timetable may please be informed to the controller of examinations immediately. The principals are requested to inform the university if any other substitute subjects that are not included in the above timetable immediately. Next, R19 regulation. Next, 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 next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Guys, you can take a screenshot. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay guys, now like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates. Keep supporting my channel. Be safe, stay kirak.